Number 1. Mlambert 4-pack solar hanging lantern with stakes. Vintage mason jar lights with solar lids, high-quality durable tan glass jar built with 30 warm white bright LED light beads twisted into a silver wire, bringing a retro and beautiful romantic lighting atmosphere to your patio, garden, and party. Not only can be used for Halloween, Christmas decoration, as a wedding and holiday party decoration of joyful atmosphere is also the best choice. Number 2. ZNYCYE Mason Jar Solar Lights for Outside. Mason jar solar lights for outside, made of 30 warm white bright LED beads twisted into silver wire, 100% powered by solar panels. The lid is an aluminum structure, and 12 stainless steel handles help you easily hang the assembled mason jar lights on thinner branches, fences, walls and porches. Very convenient. DIY your own mason jar crafts. Decorate your mason jar with your creations. The SoftBank copper wire in the jar can also be bent. Number 3. addlon 100-foot solar string lights outdoor with remote. Solar string lights, no outlets, no bills, flexible placement. The total length is 100 feet, featuring two 50-foot solar lights outdoor waterproof equipped with 50 LED bulbs and 4 spares. There is a distance of 6 feet from the solar panel to the first bulb. You are free to place the outdoor solar lights wherever you want. Upgraded multifunction remote control. Control your solar outdoor lights effortlessly with remote. No. Number 4. LORRYTE 2-pack 64 feet 100 LED crystal globe solar string lights outdoor. Large size crystal globe, 2-pack 64 feet 100 LED solar string lights with 8 lighting modes and auto on-off, widely used outdoor lighting, great for balcony, porch, roof, tree, backyard, deck, barbecue, umbrella, fence, pergola, bistro, restaurant, hotel, commercial building, shopping center, energy-saving solar power, quick charging technology built-in memory chip for 10 to 12 hours of use after full charge. Number 5. JMEXSUSS 2-pack solar string lights for outside. 2 packs new upgrade solar string lights. The solar Christmas lights outdoor are upgraded with LED beads to make them brighter and softer. It also uses more advanced and larger monocrystalline silicon solar panels, which can better receive and store solar energy so that our solar lights can work super long for 10 to 12 hours. And it is a convenient 2-pack. Each Christmas solar lights boasts a total length of 75.5 feet. It can illuminate. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.